What does salvation mean? Salvation means being saved from danger, harm, or suffering. In simple words, salvation means rescue or being saved. The word salvation is often used in religious contexts. In Christianity, salvation refers to being saved from sin and its consequences through faith in Jesus Christ. Many Christians believe salvation leads to eternal life with God. In religious teachings, salvation means spiritual freedom and forgiveness. However, salvation can also be used in a general, non-religious way. For example, if someone saves you from a serious problem, that can be called your salvation. Here are some example sentences. The lifeboat was their salvation during the storm. For many believers, faith brings salvation. Education was his salvation from poverty. Salvation usually describes a powerful rescue or relief from something serious. It can refer to physical rescue, emotional relief, or spiritual freedom. In simple terms, salvation means being saved from danger or sin. Easy way to remember. Salvation means rescue or being saved.